The Emergency Medical Technology Department at Erie Community College offers our students New York State certification as basic EMTs, also advanced intermediate EMTs, and emergency medical technician paramedics.
As a basic EMT, somebody just entering the program, the classes will start out with an overview of history of EMS, and they'll be doing a lot of hands-on. They'll be working with each other.
Students are enrolled in the paramedic portion of the program would be taking things such as patient assessment, pharmacology, cardiology, medical emergencies, which includes obstetrics, pediatrics, psychiatric emergencies. They also are taking some courses where they actually function in the classroom setting in the back of a simulated ambulance.
All of our programs are heavily lab-based, where we basically take what we learn in the lecture and in the classroom and we apply it in a lab setting.
There's a lot of credit hours that they take. There's a lot of classroom time, reading time, and there's also a lot of skills. You know, we're teaching people who typically do not have much medical training to go out and care for patients and treat patients and save lives. So there's a lot that they need to learn and be able to do.
Unlike a traditional college class, 100% attendance is mandated by the certifying body, and that's the Department of Health of New York State. So you cannot miss any sessions. Having a day and an evening program, if something comes up unexpectedly, you can always go to the opposite program and sit in on that one class.
This is normal infant breathing. If you listen, you'll hear that it's more rapid and the inspiratory phase is louder.
The Emergency Medical Technology Program is currently at the South Campus in Orchard Park and at the North Campus here in Williamsville. At the South Campus is where the Paramedic Program is located. We don't do the Paramedic Program at North. However, between the two programs, we have 3 basic EMT courses, 2 in the evening and 1 at day, the day one being at North Campus. And we have 2 intermediate programs. The intermediate EMT, also known as a level 2 in New York State, is taught at both the North and the South.
Paramedic program is only offered here at South Campus, and we do offer a day and a night component to accommodate both the traditional student and the non-traditional student, or more the adult learner.
The students that come into our program, the basic program, are typically looking to get their feet wet in the EMT department, to become an EMT, to start their career, possibly work on an ambulance. Those that come into the EMT intermediate program already are basic EMTs, and they're looking to advance their knowledge and their skills.
Both the intermediate and the paramedic, you have to be a New York State basic EMT first, and then you can apply for one of the advanced classes. You actually apply, you don't just go and register, you apply with the departments, the Emergency Medical Technology Department at either the South Campus or the North Campus.
In order to get certification, the EMT basic has to attend 45 3-hour sessions. And at the end of the semester, they take both their New York State skills and their New York State written certification. Approximately 4 to 6 weeks after that, they receive their certification in the mail.
Not only do they receive their state certification, but specialty certifications too, such as advanced pediatric and adult cardiac life support, international trauma life support, and some of the other specialty certifications they'll need along with their state certification.
New York State certification is good for 3 years, and then you take a refresher program or another type of program to renew your certification every 3 years.
Students need to bring people skills to the program. They need to be willing to learn to work with people. They need to be comfortable with people. They can't be afraid to try new things, do new things, learn new things.
They have to have the kind of personality that makes them a self-starter, one that wants to keep going with continuing medical education, make sure they keep up on all the latest things.
The students that have an interest in pursuing their education further, there are many options. Many of our graduates go on to do respiratory therapy, nursing, physician assistant. We've had several go on to PA school. Some will stay in the healthcare field, but then go into management positions or other types of healthcare administration careers.
The job outlook for students who graduate from the EMT program, I think, is great. There will always be sick and injured people, so there's always going to be a need for emergency medical technicians. And the commercial agencies are always hiring, the volunteer agencies are always looking for people to come on board.
You're going to twist until you feel a pop.
I hope a student comes in here and gets knowledge and experience out of our program. I hope they learn to feel comfortable with their skills and with dealing with patients and get a career doing what they want to do.